Good morning guys. Shout out sa aking mga member ng Miss Anwood 56. Si Mary Lugado, Maria Rosa Pital Corin, Daisy JL, at si Aradora Utuhan. At sa inyo dyan na nais sumuporta sa aking advocacy na makatulong sa mga higit na nangangailangan, join na po. Welcome kayo. Andito tayo sa Maitre 10. Dito maganda mamili ng halaman. Ayan ang hydrangea. Ang dami ko niyan, pero ang mahal ng benta nila. Diba ang dami?
For example, oh no, it wasn't that. It was a degreaser.
Yan kami hinahanap. May hinahanap si Mr. Woody.
Are you looking for anything? Are you looking for anything?
Yes, I'm looking for some juice.
Oh yes, sorry, I can't give it to you. I'm looking myself.
Oh, to buy it.
No, not this one here. Okay, if you come with me, yeah, I'll show you. You know, from me with my hand.
Dito tayo. Magaling si Mr. Wood sa ano sabi niya he's looking for some youth. Yung aming kasing sa shower room, pag naglilinis siya may nakita siyang mga buhok-buhok. So ito maganda dito. Ito ang gusto ko rito. Thank you sa inyong mga suporta. So you were able to have it?
No, honey, she's not really for this department, so yeah.
Just be patient. Ito maganda. CR. Shower square. Nabili na.
Oh, here's a little place.
Yeah, better get one. We don't know. It's also one of the 41. Is this 41? Yeah.
They're calling.
Yeah, they're calling. I'm here. I'm looking for the... Ayan. Dito tayo sa mga... Hindi. Ang ganda, di ba? Meron na sikit. Ganun yung binili kong seat kay Kit eh.
There's no one here. There's no one in here. There's a guy right there in the mile 41 or something.
41. Because
Yeah.
we're looking for... my husband is there looking for... and
Someone
the one assisting don't know.
Oh.
So there should be someone who knows
Yeah.
what we're looking for. Hindi nila. Ito maganda sa kitchen. Nice. That's nice. And, this is nice. 29. Nice. Puntahan natin si Mr. Wood. Ang ganda, di ba? Ayan ang maganda. Ito natin hanapin si Mr. Wood. Hindi ko makita si Mr. Wood. Wala na. Hindi na kami nagkita. Ang dami magandang salamin.
Not been on the Wirral.
Also the other, eh?
It's down here.
So have you found it?
No, honey. I lost it years ago.
You may get away with that, but I don't think it's.
No.
You need to go down to the paint department.
All right, and ask for a small tube of RTV.
Yes, yeah.
Honey, they don't have. I'll have to try and fix that, but substitute it with RTV. Yeah. Thank you.
All right.
Paint department.
Paint department, yep.
There you go. $169.
I went around there.
Oh, good.
There are lots of nice. I want that for our house
Oh,
in the
then.
Philippines.
The latest style now, the old type's gone.
Mm.
Where's the paint department? Oh, paint and decorate.
I don't like this.
No, I don't know what it's. Oh, it's a sink, honey.
Basin, yeah. That's nice.
I like that sort of, and an
Yeah.
island.
That's what we wanted.
Well, yeah, we'll see. There's no room in our little place in Bicol.
I know, but that's why I want to buy
Yeah,
one
well,
at Sorsogon.
Don't waste your money, honey.
I want to buy at Sorsogon. Dito akong pinapapunta.
where to look, honey.
Ask them, ask them. That one.
I think the tubes and that sort of thing are down there.
They ask first because they know more. Ay, dito kami pinapunta. Ano kaya? Thank you guys sa suporta. Maraming salamat. Gabayan tayo ng Diyos. Shout out sa followers ng Ann Wood at Miss Ann Wood 56 sa Facebook. Gabayan tayo ng Diyos. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Join na kayo at subscribe sa Ann Wood sa Facebook. Ang kita ng YouTube at Facebook
Buy a big bloody.
ay para sa inyo. God bless us all. Hello.
Time to be over.